Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on flights with Delta Airlines easy tutorial step by step clearly. To save on flights with Delta Airlines, start by visiting the Delta Airlines website. Use the flight search tool on the home page to enter your departure city and destination. Choose your desired travel dates, keeping flexibility in mind. Search for flights to see available options. Review the results and take note of prices on different days. If your travel dates are flexible, use the Fare Calendar feature to find cheaper options. Sign up for Delta's email alerts to receive notifications about sales and special fares. Consider booking a flight during the airline sales events or off-peak times. Explore Delta's SkyMiles program to earn points on your flights. Check Delta's partnership airlines for possible cheaper routes. Use the mobile app for exclusive deals and offers. Consider utilizing the Pay with Miles feature if you are a SkyMiles member. Look into Delta's promotional offers for discounted rates. Search for any available promo codes before completing your booking. Always compare prices on third-party sites for potential better deals. Create a profile with Delta to access additional member savings. Plan ahead and book flights as early as possible to lock in lower rates. Keep an eye on last-minute flight deals if your plans allow for spontaneity. Be mindful of additional fees and choose the most economical fare type for your needs. Contact Delta's customer service for assistance with any questions regarding your booking or savings options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.